What do we know so far about the new top-secret Boeing F-47 fighter jet? It's a sixth-generation fighter being developed under the U.S. Air Force's Next-Generation Air Dominance program. The Boeing F-47 is seen as a successor to the F-22 Raptor fleet and a complement to the F-35. The cost for a single production aircraft could surpass $300 million. Key technical and tactical features of the F-47. The aircraft is said to be completely undetectable by existing air defense systems. New stealth technologies, including special coatings and materials that reduce radar and infrared signatures, ensure the jet remains fully concealed. Its design is expected to use advanced adaptive cycle engines from General Electric, codenamed XA-102, and from Pratt & Whitney, codenamed XA-103. These engines will reportedly allow for cruising speeds of around 2 and 3 Mach without afterburner, significantly saving fuel and extending combat range. Briefly, the jet might even reach hypersonic speeds above Mach 5, enabling it to break through enemy air defenses. There's an unprecedented level of artificial intelligence integration for sensor data processing, weapons control, and assisting the pilot's decision-making. In the future, it might be possible to operate the aircraft in a fully unmanned mode. The F-47 is envisioned as the central node in a unified combat network, coordinating the actions of fighter jets, drones, ground units, and space systems. The fighter will be able to control a whole swarm of drones for various purposes, such as reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and strike missions, boosting combat capabilities and reducing risks to the pilot. In addition to conventional missiles and bombs, the F-47 may be equipped with laser weapons for self-defense or intercepting hostile targets. The jet is also slated to carry hypersonic missiles,